This video details the intended use of my squad identification tokens. They are an unofficial product compatible with bolt action by Warlord Games. The in-game problem that they are intended to solve has come up in many games of bolt action I personally have played over the years, where certain physically identical or near identical squads had slightly different special rules, equipment, or a few models were being proxied due to my limited collection. These tokens can help distinguish those units, helping keep gameplay moving and drama-free, in the words of one great review on Etsy. The features of each token are as follows. The letter, to denote which squad or unit they are identifying. A morale placard slot for one of 3 morale placards, to denote the associated unit's morale. An order die slot, indicating the unit has not yet activated if no die is present, and indicating which order it has executed that turn otherwise, exceptions including ambush and down orders which can carry over from turn to turn. And finally, an integrated pin counter dial, which eliminates needing to track pins via the nearly unreadable official dial counters or large cumbersome piles of other tokens. They even have some nice nubs on the top to more easily grip and spin the dial. As shown here, both the printed sets for sale and the STL file come with 6 distinct tokens, letters A through F, and a morale placard of each morale for each token, for a total of 18 placards. To use the tokens to their fullest extent, simply take your printed copy of your list, which you should have prepared and ready before all games, so you can both utilize product like this, and in the event of a question your opponent has about your list, not have to hand them your phone with its gross screen you haven't cleaned in 3 months, and an improperly applied tempered glass screen protector that also looks like the windshield of a car recently involved in a drive-by shooting, and assign each squad a letter, noting it beside each squad's entry on your list as shown here. You can of course also use these tokens with any other units you have multiple of in your list, which is a more common occurrence since 3rd edition's significant force organization changes. These were designed in late 2nd edition, when that issue was most prevalent with infantry squads. Nothing whatsoever restricts their use to infantry squads, however. Finally, place them by each corresponding squad or unit at the start of the game, or if said unit is in reserve, when they enter play. The token trails the unit all game, tracking pins, morale, and order status clearly. Thank you for watching. If you decide to invest in a set of tokens, thank you in advance for your business, and please sound off in the comments below with any feedback or questions. Check the link in the description below to see all of my 3D printed accessories available for 3 different tabletop miniatures games and counting. Watch this space as well for more tutorial videos on said product. Have fun out there.